Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to design your own flyer. If you are looking for a tutorial to teach you how to DIY, then this video is for you. You may follow this video to design for your hair business, nail appointment flyer, or simply just anything you want it to be. In this video I will show you how to design hair appointment flyer. Without wasting more of your time, let's get started. We are going to use a tool called Canva to make our design process a success. To get started, we will click on Instagram post as our design will have the same dimensions. Alternatively, we can also manually apply the dimensions we need for our design by going to Customize and applying our own dimensions. This opens up a blank workspace for us to begin designing. So let's get started. Step number 1. We are going to start by changing the background. To do that, you go to Photos on your dashboard and search for the type of photo or image that you need. We are going to search for gradient because we simply want a background gradient color. To make this image a background, you right-click on it and select the option Set Image as Background. Step number 2. The next thing we are going to do is add title to our flyer. To do that, you go to Text and select some text to add on our design. Position it the way we want it to be. Change the font size and font color as well. Step number 3. We are now going to add some text to show services offered. To do that, again we go to Text on the dashboard and select the type of text we want. We then need to align and adjust the text where needed to make sure it's exactly what we need. The next thing, we will add some ticks as bullet points. To do that, you go to Elements and search for the word tick. We then select for our preference. We then need to decrease its size, change color, and also place each at the beginning of every service offered. Step number 4. The next step to our design is to add images or photos. To do that, you go to Elements and search for Frame. There are various types of frames to choose from. We are going to select for one particular frame to add to our design. For this flyer we need 2 frames, therefore, we will duplicate a frame to make it 2 frames. We then need to position the frames the way we feel fits the best and also change the frame color to match with the entire design. Now that we have our frames positioned the way we want them to be. So let's add some photos to be placed on each frame. Again, we go to photos and search for photos or images that we want, select images, and we will just simply drag and drop each image to each frame. I don't think this design is popping enough. Let's try and change colors to make it look a bit brighter. Step number 5. This is the final step to completing our design. We are now left with adding contact details. We're just going to add social handles for Instagram and Facebook. To do that, you search for Instagram and Facebook icon under Elements on the dashboard. You then select icons of your choice and add it on the design. We then simply need to place and resize it accordingly. We then need to add handle details aligning it with the icons. This takes us to end of today's video. Let's quickly have a look at the final product. If you are watching until this point, I'm really grateful. If you enjoyed today's video, please click that like button and also consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future uploads.